Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making homemade strawberry ice cream. You're going to start by cutting off the top of your strawberries. Make sure you leave about 5 strawberries to put chunks of strawberries into your ice cream later. And while I was doing this, I thought of a TikTok hack that I saw, and they do the cutting out of the strawberry with a straw, so I decided to try it out, and it actually works and it makes it so much easier. You don't waste that much strawberry, so I definitely tried it. You guys should try it too. Once you did all that, you're gonna put that aside. For the next step, you can use a food processor or you could just use a blender. So you're just gonna throw all your strawberries in there. And I did put a plate on mine because everything was jumping out. I don't know if this is normal. It's my first time using one of these. So you're just gonna put this aside for now. Now pour 2 cups of heavy cream into a bowl. If you don't have this machine, you can just use an electric hand mixer. And just make sure you get all the heavy cream out of your measuring cups, like I did here. If you're using this machine or a hand mixer, just set it to high. And you want your heavy cream to get to a very thick consistency. Once you see it like this, it's time to stop the machines. And you can pour your condensed milk in. You're gonna use 1 whole can. And at the same time, you're also gonna pour your strawberries in. Alright, once you're ready, mix that on low. And while that's mixing, it's a perfect time to cut up your fresh strawberries to put into your ice cream. So here I am again using this straw method, and it works perfectly. I really can't believe it. So just cut your strawberries in tiny pieces. And I did forget to take one out with the straw. Once that's mixed, go ahead and throw your strawberries inside. And just mix that again at a low speed. Whichever mold you're using, just go ahead and pour all your ice cream mixture in there.
And if you're wondering what size of mold to use, this mixture in these
measurements were perfect for this size mold. Put some saran wrap on top very tightly. And you're going to want to freeze this for about 6 hours, but if you keep it overnight, even better. Alright guys, and this is about 24 hours after I left it in the freezer. I did add condensed milk on top because I think it just tastes so good, but you don't have to do that step.